In a trial at London's Southwark Crown Court, prosecutors accused a woman of converting Bitcoin into cash and property as part of an alleged money laundering scheme connected a massive $6.3 billion fraud in China. According to a Reuters report, the defendant Wen Jian is facing charges of assisting and hiding the source of funds believed to have been stolen from approximately 130,000 Chinese industry between 2014 and 2017, and Jonathan Road was pricing them. He said, "Well, Wen denies the 3 counts of money laundering. She is not alleged to have been directly involved in the underlying fraud." According to the report, prosecutor Gillian Jones told the court that Zhang Yadi orchestrated the fraudulent scheme. The indictment named them as the beneficiary of the alleged money laundering. On the other hand, Wen was allegedly used as a front person to disguise the origin of the stolen funds. The money obtained through the fraud was reportedly used to purchase Bitcoin and converted back into cash or high-value assets upon Zhang's arrival in London. Despite individuals associated with the scheme being arrested in China, Zhang remains large, and none of the funds have been returned to the defrauded investors. During the trial, the prosecution highlighted that Wen does not dispute her involvement in dealing with Bitcoin. The central question for the jury is whether Wen was aware or suspected that the Bitcoin she handled was obtained through criminal activities. And in a defense, Wen claims to have been Zhang's caregiver and asserts that she believed Zhang had legitimately acquired wealth through Bitcoin mining, real estate, and jewelry businesses. According to Reuters, the trial is expected to conclude in March, with Wen facing imprisonment, fines, and asset confiscation, restitution to the victims, damage to reputation, and other collateral consequences, such as travel restrictions or limitations on financial activities. As the trial continues in London, the case raises significant concerns regarding the alleged involvement of Bitcoin in money laundering schemes connected to a multi-billion-dollar fraud in China. The outcome of this trial will have implications for future investigations and regulatory efforts aimed at combating financial crimes involving cryptocurrencies. The proceedings will determine whether Wen Jian knowingly participated in money laundering activities, or if she genuinely believed in the legitimacy of Zhang's wealth. As of the latest update, the leading cryptocurrency in the market, Bitcoin, is currently trading at $43,500. It has recently exhibited sideways price movement, following a significant 5% surge for the future and 1.8%. Notably, Bitcoin has successfully reclaimed lost ground, demonstrating a 12% price increase over the past 7 days and a 2% increase over the past 14 days.